Welcome everyone to my new episode on planet Rahu. I'm going to talk about its placement in the 5th house. This is a good placement for a malefic planet like Rahu to be in, because any planet which is present here in this house is bound to give you lots of good results related to the houses that it controls and related to the karkas, the significations that it is holding, and also the karak tattvas, by which I mean to say, if a planet holds the lordship of a given house in a horoscope, that house is also going to prosper because of its placement in the 5th house. So Rahu holds the Aquarius sign, and it also has a say on the 11th house. So it means that this sign and this house is going to prosper. Also, we know that Rahu gives its results through its conjunctions and through the strength of its dispositor. So wherever the 5th lord is placed, Rahu is going to give the results based upon the placement of the 5th lord. If Rahu is conjunct with another planet in your 5th house, then it is going to give its results through the conjunct planet. So, but here we are only going to discuss about its individual placement. Now friends, this is the house which is associated with your past life deeds, because 9th house is your past life, and 9th house is also associated with your righteous deeds. So 9th to 9th is your 5th house. So the past life righteous deeds would be seen through the 5th house. If Rahu is present here, it shows that there is something that you have to suffer through the 5th house. But you also have to give lots of importance to the sign that is placed here. If that sign happens to be Rahu's exalted sign, or Rahu's own sign, or if it is Virgo sign, or if it is Gemini sign, in that case Rahu will give you good results. But the living significations of the 5th house will suffer. The living significations are: the children are seen from the 5th, the love affairs are seen from the 5th house. This is the house of your liver, this is the house of your pancreas, this is the house of your gallbladder, this is the house of your stomach. So all the things which are associated with your abdomen under the chest area are coming through the 5th house. A malefic planet like Rahu is going to give you some health issues related to these organs which I just stated. So you have to be very careful with what you are eating, with what you are drinking, and you have to restrict your sugar intake if Rahu is present here, because Rahu will give you health problems related to the abdomen under the chest area. So this is one part of it. Now the second living signification that comes through the 5th house is your children. So it means that there could be some delays or some kind of issues involved with the children, with the reproduction of children. And if your children happen to be born smoothly, in that case it can mean that there would be some kind of constraints related to the children who are born. Rahu is also about the foreign elements. So in the 5th, it means that you may have to use some foreign techniques, some strange techniques to get your child produced. So some people may use the IVF method to have their babies if Rahu is present here. Now if Rahu is conjunct with a planet that happens to be your 3rd lord, or your 6th lord, or your 8th lord, or your 11th lord, or your 12th lord in the 5th house, in that case Rahu can be very turbulent, and it can give you bad results related to your health of your stomach area, or related to the children which you are going to produce, or if they have been produced easily, in that case they will give you some difficulties in the long run. So friends, Rahu in the 5th also comprises of the Pitra Dosh, especially if your moon is afflicted by this Rahu, if your sun is afflicted by this Rahu, and also the 2nd house, the 7th house, the 5th house and the 9th house. If these houses are afflicted by malefic planets, then there is a Pitra Dosh. By Pitra Dosh, I mean to say that the sufferings which are coming through the curse of the ancestors. It means that you have done some mistakes in the past, because of which your ancestors are annoyed with you, or there have been some misdeeds or some work that you have not done satisfactory enough, and because of which you may have to undergo some sufferings through this placement of Rahu in the 5th, because 5th house is a very important house to see the Pitra Dosh. So Rahu is afflicting this house, so it is bound to give you some difficulties. So friends, need not worry. The good thing about human birth is that we can always perform some remedies to get rid of the curses coming through our past life, or if we have done some errors in this life, we can always do some remedies so as to come out of those difficulties, or to come out of those doshas that may be present in our birth chart. So what you can do is that you can recite the mantra of Om Pitraye Namaha every day. For 3-4 times you must recite this mantra if your Rahu is present here. The other thing that you can do is that you can adopt a child who is not yours, somebody who is born through some another mother, and you can adopt that child, and you can sponsor that child, and you can pay for that child's upbringing, for that child's education. By this way also you will be able to get rid of the dosha that is caused through the planet Rahu in the 5th house. Rahu can give you exceptional creativity and exceptional intelligence also, because the 5th house is our learning abilities, it is our intelligence. So if Rahu is placed with a Karak planet, with a benefic planet here, in that case it is going to give you lots of intelligence, and your thought process would be very different than the natural thought process of people. This house also comprises of your leisure activities, the things that you will do during your free time. So Rahu here, I have seen many charts where these people are very fond of watching television during their free time, or they may be having some addiction of some kind of drinks here, and if your moon is also afflicted. Now you have to be careful about getting diabetic, because Rahu can cause that problem, or you have to be very careful about the intake of drinks that you are taking, because Rahu can impact your liver through this placement. The significations of Rahu would be prospered if it is present here. Now what are the significations? Rahu is about foreign things, so you could always benefit from the foreigners, from the things which are not known to you, from the foreign related things. So Rahu is also about shrewdness. In the 5th house it can make you extremely shrewd, extremely manipulative also. Rahu is about the media industry, Rahu is about politics, politician, Rahu is about some medicines also. So here these people can have some knowledge of medicines, or these people could be very good with the media world. They could also prosper in the politics industry, and they could also benefit from the government if Rahu is placed here in a favorable sign, or if it is aspected by a benefic planet. In that case, these people can attain great stardom and there could be sudden success or sudden rise in their life. Also, you must not forget that the 5th is the 8th of your 10th house. So the 8th of any given house is always going to give you ups and downs if there is a malefic planet present. So Rahu being a malefic present in your 5th house is going to give you ups and downs in your career, because it is 8th to your 10th house. So these people will never be able to stick to a given job for a longer duration of time, and they would be seen changing their jobs after very short duration. So they cannot stick to a given company for a longer time due to XYZ reasons. The 5th is also the house of your romantic liaisons. So these people may have more than one relationships if Rahu is placed here. This is the house of kidnapping also. If you have to see kidnapping, then we have to see the 5th house, and Rahu, if it is placed here, can give such conditions if the transit is not favorable, and if there is a aspect of a malefic planet here on the 5th or on the ascendant. In that case, you have to be sure that there is a fear of getting kidnapped also. The 5th house is also about lotteries. It's about the speculative gains. So these people can get sudden gains in the share market if Rahu is getting a good aspect, and if the dispositor is also well placed. In that case, these people should try their luck in the speculative market. But if Rahu is placed here and if it is aspected by a malefic planet, or if there is debilitation happening in the 5th house, in that case I would suggest you to stay away from the share market. Now from here we also see the mantra siddhis or the homas that we are going to perform. Rahu here can give you inclinations to perform lots of homas, lots of havan yajnas, especially if it is in a fiery sign. Otherwise, these people would be fond of chanting mantras also. So friends, this was all about the placement of planet Rahu. Do share your views about what you think and what kind of results are you feeling through this placement. See you very soon with my next video. Stay tuned. Thank you all for listening.